know one of the reasons that our attendance is so high and that we do so well is because what's being presented is very relevant, and you know that you can take this back into your classrooms and apply these practices.
I still always go back to the three main things, making sure that we're talking about rigor and having high expectations for all students, not some students, all students. That the learning that we provide and that we lead kids through is relevant, that the learning is meaningful for them, and that relationships, that we're building connections.
Welcome to the Museum of Curiosity. You are about to enter Professor LSY's secret room hidden deep within the museum. The professor has always been a very curious person and is prone to setting up challenges for those who dare to enter. He is away on one of his adventures, no doubt sparked by his endless curiosity. Before leaving, he set up a challenge series of puzzles, clues, and explorations for anyone who dared to visit. He loves to spark wonder and curiosity in others. While inside, feel free to touch, move, and explore everything. You never know how deep his hidden secrets and clues lie. He also left a letter for the brave and curious ones, like you. Good luck! May you discover the key to curiosity. Here and here, 1935.
I think empowered learning is an opportunity to really look at how we as educators are designing experiences for kids, the way that our teachers are perfecting their craft and creating opportunities for voice and choice. Ways for kids to really think outside the box and to see learning in new ways besides just the way it's been done within the four walls of their classroom.
Mm-hmm. And the passion, you can just feel it. And I feel like we're special people because we come on a Saturday and we're not getting paid, and I don't do it for the money, but it's great. And I just feel excited, and now I have tools, because the excitement can only get me so far. They gave me a pathway, and they gave me resources.
You're already losing right there. So when it comes to those